this episode of Dave Figures It Out,
Dave figures it out!
I'm trying to change my headlight for my 2010 Toyota Prius. But when I went to swap out the old bulb, I found it didn't look the same. It didn't match, and it wouldn't fit. The H11 that I looked up and the auto parts store said was the correct fit wasn't going to fit in the bulb socket, whatever it's called. I'm not a mechanic, guys. Cut me some slack. But guess what? I was trying to change the wrong bulb. On a Prius, apparently the high beams are the lower ones, and your low beams are a little bit higher. I guess they're level, whatever. But H11 is the correct low beam Prius bulb. This is your low beam right here. That's what you want to change. And when you do change it, you'll find it is in fact an H11. The high beams are there. That is the 9005 or whatever it looks like. Anyways, just saving you a trip to the store in case you are hopping on YouTube, scratching your head saying, wait, this doesn't match the bulb. It's because it's probably the wrong one. Double check that before you take any other steps. You'll probably be fine. Good luck.